Ukrainian Unmanned Systems Forces (USF) have reportedly destroyed a Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter in the Pokrovsk direction using the Fiber-Optik first-person view FPV drone. The information first appeared on Ukrainian Telegram channels, which said the strike was carried out by fighters from the 59th Separate Assault Brigade of the USF. Footage circulating on social media shows the aftermath of the strike, with a crashed helicopter lying on the ground smoking and burning. Another video reportedly captures the Ka-52 in the sight of an FPV drone moments before the hit. Fighters from the Predators of the Heights Unmanned Systems Battalion. In the comments, users suggested the downing of a Ka-52 helicopter, to which the battalion replied, we can't hide anything from you." Later, the downing was also confirmed by the USF commander Robert Madyar Brovdi, who wrote on Telegram, "The enemy Ka-52 and the crew which tried to evacuate were eliminated by the USF birds in the Donetsk region." According to him, the helicopter was hunted down by a fiber-optic FPV drone by pilots from the Baltica crew of the Predators of Heights Battalion near the settlement of Nagivka in the Donetsk region. Even before Brovdi confirmed the strike, conflicting reports about the crew's fate were circulating on social media. Russian military bloggers claimed the crew had survived, while some Ukrainian Telegram channels reported that the pilots had been killed. Brovdi later clarified that, following an emergency landing, the helicopter crew attempted to escape. However, drones operated by pilots of the 1st Battalion, 414th Separate Unmanned Systems Brigade, Birds of Madyar, eliminated them. To support his statement, Brovdi published the full video of the operation, showing the moment the helicopter was struck, its crash, and the reported bodies of the pilots. The video published by Brovdi shows the drone engaging 2 helicopters at once. The first managed to evade the strike, while the second was successfully hit. It's worth noting that this marks the second Russian helicopter destroyed by the 59th Brigade. On September 29, 2025, fighters from the Predators of the Heights unit also struck a multi-purpose Mi-8. Today, we shot down an enemy helicopter for the second time, this time a Ka-52. This is no longer an accident. This is the result of coordinated work and skill of our guys. A machine worth approximately $16 million was destroyed by a small drone in the hands of an experienced pilot, the statement added. The Ka-52 Alligator is a combat helicopter with a 2-person crew. It can reach speeds of up to 310 kilometers per hour, has a range of up to 550 kilometers, and operates at altitudes of up to 5.5 kilometers. Its armament includes a 30mm cannon, anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs), unguided rockets, Igla-V missiles, and small arms. According to open sources, the estimated cost of a Ka-52 ranges from approximately $16 to $25 million. If confirmed, this would represent one of the first publicly documented cases of a Ka-52 being directly brought down by an aerial drone, highlighting once again how inexpensive unmanned systems are reshaping modern combat. The Ka-52 Alligator is one of Russia's most advanced attack helicopters. Developed by Kamov, it was designed to perform anti-tank operations, close air support missions, battlefield reconnaissance, and command and control tasks. Equipped with powerful avionics, sophisticated targeting systems, and a unique coaxial rotor system, the Ka-52 has long been considered one of the most capable combat helicopters in the Russian arsenal. Throughout the war in Ukraine, Ka-52 helicopters have played a major role in supporting Russian ground forces. Flying at low altitude, they have launched anti-tank guided missiles, attacked defensive positions, and provided cover for armored units advancing towards Ukrainian positions. Despite suffering losses from surface-to-air missile systems such as the Stinger, Starstreak, and other air defense weapons, the Ka-52 has remained one of Russia's most valuable battlefield assets. However, the nature of warfare is changing rapidly. Ukraine has become one of the world's leading innovators in drone warfare. From commercial quadcopters modified to drop grenades to long-range strike drones and highly maneuverable FPV drones, Ukrainian forces have transformed relatively inexpensive technology into highly effective battlefield weapons. The reported incident demonstrates just how far drone warfare has evolved. Videos shared on social media appear to show a drone rapidly approaching a Russian helicopter before an explosion occurs near the aircraft. Although the footage has generated widespread discussion among military observers, many details, including the exact location, timing, and sequence of events, remain subject to independent verification. As with many videos emerging from active combat zones, caution is necessary before drawing definitive conclusions. Still, whether this particular incident is ultimately confirmed or not, it reflects a much broader trend that military planners around the world are paying close attention to. Drones are no longer simply reconnaissance platforms. They are becoming offensive weapons capable of threatening some of the most sophisticated military equipment ever built. One of the most remarkable aspects of drone warfare is its cost-effectiveness. An FPV attack drone can often be assembled for only a few hundred or a few $1,000s. By comparison, a Ka-52 attack helicopter is estimated to cost tens of millions of dollars. This creates an extraordinary imbalance. A relatively inexpensive drone can potentially destroy an aircraft worth many millions of dollars, dramatically shifting the economics of modern warfare. Military analysts often describe this as one of the biggest disruptions in defense technology since the introduction of precision-guided weapons. Another major advantage of drones is their small size. Traditional radar systems are optimized to detect larger aircraft. Small drones flying close to the terrain can be much harder to detect, especially in complex battlefield environments. Operators can guide these drones in real time using onboard cameras, allowing them to adjust their attack during the final seconds before impact. Unlike traditional missiles, FPV drones also offer remarkable flexibility. They can approach from unexpected directions, circle around obstacles, and target vulnerable areas of military equipment. This makes them especially dangerous against armored vehicles, artillery systems, and even aircraft operating at low altitude. The Ka-52 itself is no ordinary helicopter. Its coaxial rotor system eliminates the need for a tail rotor, improving maneuverability while reducing the aircraft's overall footprint. The helicopter carries a powerful 30mm cannon, guided anti-tank missiles, rocket pods, and air-to-air missiles for self-defense.